Hey, welcome back. Last lesson you wrote your very first Python program using the print function. Today we are going to learn about something even more fundamental. Variables. Variables are one of the most important concepts in all of programming. So what is a variable? Think of it like a labeled box. You put a value inside the box, give the box a name, and from that point on you can use the name to get the value back. Let's look at the code on screen. Here we have 4 variables. The first one is called name, and it stores the text Alice. See that equals sign? That is the assignment operator. The name on the left is your label. The value on the right is what goes in the box. The second variable is age, storing the number 25. The third is height, which stores 5.6. And the fourth is is_student, which stores true. Now here is something really important to understand. Python has different data types. When you store text, that is called a string. You always wrap strings in quotes. When you store a whole number like 25, that is called an integer, or int for short. When you store a decimal number like 5.6, that is called a float. And when you store true or false, that is called a boolean. Python figures out the type automatically based on what you assign. Now look at the print statements with type. Type is a built-in function that tells you exactly what kind of data a variable holds. Running this code, you can see that name is a string, age is an int, height is a float, and is_student is a bool. Understanding types matters because different types behave differently. You can do math with integers and floats. But you cannot do math with strings, at least not directly. Scroll down to the challenge at the bottom. Here we created 2 more variables, my_name and my_age. Try changing these to your own values and run the code. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Create 3 variables, your name, your favorite color, and your birth year. Print all 3. Variables are the foundation of everything else we will build. The more comfortable you are with them, the easier the rest of this course will feel. See you in lesson 3.